Hey everybody, recording from outside again this time. Sorry about that for this tutorial. I went to the recording studio where I usually make these, but I couldn't do it today because as soon as I got there I pooped my pants, so now I'm walking home. I don't want to sit in my car and get the poop everywhere, so I figured whatever, I'll walk the 2 miles home with poop in my pants, change my pants, and then come back and record something. But then as I was walking with poop in my pants, I realized by the time I get home, get changed, get hosed off, and get back, my time at the recording studio will have expired, so this is really the only time I could do it. So sorry for that. Hopefully I will not poop my pants again, but if I do, I swear I'll just stick it out in the studio and record with poop in my pants.